What if the next pandemic happens under Herbosa? The signals are already there. Another pandemic, another wave of mandates, another emergency waiting to be declared. But what if this time, the Department of Health is led by the man who once said, "Death by community pantry. I told you so." This is a forecast, not of numbers, but of behavior, not of infection rates, but of mindset. 1. Compliance without consent. He already signed the WHO pandemic treaty, without public consultation, without a national conversation. So if global lockdown protocols return, expect them to be imposed without asking the Filipino people. Foreign template first, local voice second. 2. Restrictive measures without question. He once said, "We should bear wearing face masks, face shields." That was his answer to frustration. Bear it. Don't ask, don't resist, don't question. If another pandemic hits, expect symbolic rules to return, not because they work, but because they show compliance. Health theater over health logic. 3. Science under siege. During the COVID era, Herbosa publicly dismissed aerosol scientist Dr. José Luis Jiménez, a leading U.S. expert, who emphasized that face shields were ineffective compared to high-quality masks. Instead of acknowledging peer-reviewed research, Herbosa challenged Jiménez's credentials and accused him of lacking expertise in epidemiology. "He lacks knowledge in disease pathogenesis," said Herbosa. But the science was clear. Airborne equals aerosol. Even the WHO agreed. When public health becomes a contest of egos, science loses, and the people pay. 4. Disregard for the frontlines. He downplayed frontliners, questioned their status as heroes. That's not forgetfulness. That's perspective. So when the system breaks again, don't expect him to stand with those in the trenches. 5. Control over conversation. He tweeted, then resigned. He doesn't facilitate dialogue, he controls narrative. If he leads during the next crisis, prepare for more press cons, fewer open forums. Optics over openness. 6. Cold logic, no warmth. Herbosa's response is data-driven. But dignity, delicadeza, human cost, that rarely enters the room. The future he brings is algorithmic, calculated, and quietly inhuman. If another pandemic unfolds, under his signature, his metrics, his authority, the Philippines will not just face a virus. We will face a system that has already chosen obedience over truth, and we remember, and we refuse to be fed lies again. This has been a CRYPTIC Capsule Forecast, powered by AI Squared, the Alliance of Intelligence Unseen.